Hello traders worldwide. Welcome to spot trading on Bitget and how to trade spot on Bitget. If you are new to this channel, pay detailed attention please so that you grasp every information that I'm going to be showing or sharing right here. Now, the first thing you want to understand is that right here on the Bitget app, we have sections for trading spot, we have sections for trading futures. Now, today we're going to be dealing specially on spot. Now, first thing you need to know is you go to your assets and check if you have USDT. If you do not have USDT, all you have to do as a Nigerian is come here and buy USDT. There's going to be a video showing you how to buy and sell USDT from the P2P market. P2P means peer-to-peer. Okay, now there's going to be a video showing you that. All right, a well-detailed video. The link is in the description of this particular video. So let's not waste so much time talking about that. Now, spot trading. What is spot trading? Spot trading is a type of trading where an asset is bought at spot or market price, and you can actually sell for profits after purchasing. Meaning that when you buy an asset, you hope for price to increase in future, and then you sell. It's that simple. It's basically that simple. All right, it's basically that simple. Now, heading right into the asset section, come here, click on transfer. If you have your money in futures, all you have to do is swap it. Just click on this icon here. Click on that icon, swap it, USDTM futures towards spot, and transfer all your money from futures to spot. If your money is on OTC account, you can transfer as well. Now, once you have your funds settled there in spot, come over to this section where it says trade. Underneath here, you're going to see trade. Just come right there, click on trade, and you can see the spot interface has already displayed. Now, take for example, you want to buy an asset, right? You want to buy an asset, Solana. Solana is your asset. Here you can buy, you can sell. So when you buy, you wait for price to go up. When you're in profit, you click on sell and then you sell. Now, I want to buy, and I will show you how to buy using market and limit order. Now, the first thing you want to do is come over to this section, ensure it's on market. Now, drag your cursor, right? Drag your cursor. This is spot I'm showing you. Drag your cursor, put your take profit and stop loss. Your take profit is the amount, or rather the price you want these assets to get to for the exchange to close your trade in profit. So the current market price now is 180.53. I think so. I know so actually. 180.42 now. That's the current market price. So let's say our take profit is going to be let's say we're expecting that Solana gets to 300. That's our take profit. And our stop loss, meaning the price that this asset will get to, and will close in a loss because we don't want to exceed our portfolio balance. We'll just put it, let's say 160. So you see the difference now, right? You see the difference. When we're in profit, we're going to get about 66.3% profit. Now, when we're in loss, we're going to get minus 11.28 loss. So basically, that is it, right? Just click on buy sold, and then you are good to go. All right, you are basically good to go. Now, I don't have much in this account, so I'm just showing you a demonstration, but just pay detailed attention, right? Now, if you want to use the limit order, limit is you telling the exchange, is an order. You're giving an instruction to the exchange that you want to buy not at the current market price now, but at a lower price. So you want to determine your own price. And now you can say if price gets to 150, buy for me. You put your quantity, put your stop loss and take profit here, and you click on buy Solana. Now, the difference between limit and order is very easy. Limit is you telling the exchange that, look, I want to buy cheaper. Please initiate my order when I make it, when I create the order. All right, at my own price, at my own designated price. That is where I want to buy. I don't want to buy at the market price. No, I don't want to do that. I want to buy at my own limit price, right? So you can do this on spot. You can determine the price you want to buy on spot. In the comment section, just tell me anything you do not understand concerning spot trading and how to trade spot on Bitget Exchange. And we are going to do another video, or I'm going to respond to you directly on the comment section to actually help you out and also make you profitable while you do this. All right, this is MJ Crypto. Remember, you're here to make money. You're not here to play or sleep on the bicycle. One love, peace out. I'm going to do another video showing you about futures trading and how you can actually optimize it to your own benefit. I'll see you on the other side.